Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jo and today's video is a Nykaa haul and I'm gonna share with you all the things that I bought with a quick review as I usually do, so keep on watching. First thing is a Smashbox combo. It's called Photo Finish Star Power Primer Set. You get 3 mini products travel size in this combo and this costs for 2,700. The packaging looks like this. If you buy these 3 products separately, then it's going to cost you rupees 4,190 bucks. This is such a great deal, I tell you. The most popular product by Smashbox is the Photo Finish Primer, and I'm gonna quickly open it up for you guys and let's see what we've got. Now with Smashbox Photo Finish Star Primer Set, I bought Always On lipstick in my favorite shade I always wanted to buy, but I was like, we'll wait for it to go on a discount or a sale. So I've got this deal. If you buy a Smashbox product of rupees 4,000 or more, which I did, this lipstick is for 2,100 and this kit is for 2,600. So on 4K purchase you get one full size Always On lipstick and this Smashbox Superfan Mascara Mini. All of this, if I had bought, I would have spent 9,300 bucks. Isn't it a real deal? Yes, it is. So in this kit, you get Photo Finish Primer, Photo Finish Primer Water, and Photo Finish Prime Moisturizer. This travel size is a great way to find out if you actually like it and then invest on the big size. This is 15 ml. It works as a primer cum moisturizer, so you don't need 2 different products. It feels hydrating and gives a nice glow to my face, as you can see. Also, it retails for 1,750 bucks. Next one is my favorite primer of all time, and as the name signifies, Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. It is of translucent Vaseline kind of gel and gets vanished into the skin, leaving it silky and soft. It is magical, you guys. I know the full size is a little pricey, but remember, invest in one best in market product rather than having different multiple average products. I don't know if camera can capture it. It literally blurs out my pores, fine lines and face texture. Third one is a primer water. This is in 30 ml size. You can either prime your face with it or set the makeup by using it at the last. It works exactly like MAC setting spray. I guess both products, MAC and this, are identical. It gives a natural glow and doesn't feel sticky, which is good. It does have a mild fragrance to it and it retails for 990 bucks. If you use this combo, bro, moisturize, prime, use this strobing thing and set it with this, I assure you'll be ready for the finest glass skin you could get. Next up is Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade BAWSE. It is true that it stays for 8+ hours with no budging. I used Smashbox lipsticks first time when I bought Malvika Sitlani combo, and my love affair for Smashbox lipsticks started since then. I've always been a classic red lips girl. It is best formula you could get. I get so excited with lipsticks, man. It is my shade. Love it. Last week during the Nykaa Pink sale, they launched a mini combo of BAWSE and Gulabi. You can check it out on Nykaa. Even if you get 1+1 on these, it is the best deal. These are the most expensive lipsticks on Nykaa after Bobbi Brown. I got this shade on the offer. It is called Dream Huge. These have got classy glass-like bottle packaging. A quick swatch for you. It is beautiful muted pink color. It has a moussey texture and it feels so comfortable on the lips. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't smudge, stays almost 80% after you eat or drink and is transfer proof. Next up is this Smashbox Superfan Mini Mascara. It's in 5 ml size. I think it's a decent size as mascaras don't get used up quickly. I like the wand so much and its bristles. You see how it separates my lashes, doesn't clump, and it gives very natural, fuller falsies look. So that completes this Smashbox combo. Next one I got is Nykaa's new launch Matte Luxe Lipstick. It's in the shade Pilates. It comes in a beautiful packaging. It has got that magnetic luxe packaging, which I like. I don't know what's up with their swatches. It looked a purple plum shade, but you see this is a basic berry shade. I should have picked Retail Therapy, but that's okay. I like this shade too. I've got similar ones, so not quite happy with what I've got. The formula is very comfy and it glides like a dream. It is not transfer proof, but definitely gives you a luxe lipstick feeling, and it retails for $7.99. Next up is so underrated brand on Nykaa, which is Physicians Formula, and this one is Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. It has this pretty rose gold packaging and it comes up with a pump. Yes, I'm happy. Now, if you're a makeup pro, you may use it as a primer for that within glow, but I like to use it as a standalone product and top it up with a blush and lipstick, and I'm done with my everyday makeup. It gives that instant glow and is not glittery at all. Works as a strobing cream and is really moisturizing. Also, you can use it as a subtle liquid highlighter. I tested it with a foundation and you see that the glow hasn't faded away. What is this product? I'm glad I got it. Next product is Nyx Brow Mascara. It is called Nyx Tinted Brow Mascara and in the shade Brunette. I feel the less dark you do your brows, the more natural it looks, hence the brunette color. It comes in this shiny bottle and I like its wand and it works just great. It retails for $600. You get about 6 ml. Very easy to use. You can get that bushy brows and it doesn't budge, and I think it's an amazing one. We're almost through the video, but I've got last 2 products, but not the least. I've got lip products from Innisfree. One is a lip oil and other one is a tinted lip balm. This one is Wedding Peach Tea. It's really thick, so it's hard to take out the product, but such a hydrating and creamy subtle tinted balm. It retails for $750. Of course, it's pricey as it comes from Innisfree. It has a sweet, fruity fragrance which I love. It's a good product all in all. Next up is this Innisfree Vivid Oil Tint in shade 2 Pink Cherry. It's got 5 kinds of oil: camellia, canola and jojoba oil for long-lasting moisturization. It retails for $800. It has this plumping marble shine without any stickiness. It's got sweet, fruity smell. It works more like a hydrating colored lip gloss. Very tasty. My lips were dying for it. Thank you, Innisfree. That's all for today's video, guys. I'll see you in my next one real soon. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, share, comment, all of that. Do follow me on Instagram. My handle is Candidjyo. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye. Mwah.